darkness in your eyes. I'm forced to fake a smile of love every day of my life. My heart can't possibly break when it wasn't even whole to start with. Because of you, I never strayed too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I learned to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I find it hard to trust not only me but everyone around me. Because of you, I am afraid. I watched you die, I heard you cry every night in your sleep. I was so young, you should have known better than to lean on me. You never thought of anyone else, you just saw your pain. And now I cry in the middle of the night for the same damn thing. Because of you, I never strayed too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I learned to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I try my hardest just to forget everything. Because of you, I don't know how to let anyone else in. Because of you, I'm ashamed of my life because it's empty. Because of you, I am afraid. Because of you, because of you.
Well done, girl. Oh, well done, Keeliegh. Honestly, what a start, love. I know it's like quickly rushing in last minute like this, and you're not 100%, but that was a beautiful start. I'll come to Kelly. Kelly, what did you think of the performance?
I absolutely loved that. I really did. I know you've got like a personal connection to that song, and you could feel that. And you totally captured the theme with the emotion, especially on the last chorus after, not the last chorus, sorry, but the one after the bridge before the key change when you really, really stripped it back. There's such a vulnerability in your voice. I just felt really, really moved. I think when you came in, you had that really lovely lower register. You look beautiful as well, and the fact that you've just come from hospital and sang like that, I just think that in itself, you deserve like a round of applause just for that. I think it's fantastic. Really beautiful.
Louise?
Oh, Keeliegh, it's mad watching you today because it's like watching a different person compared to last season. I feel like you've really found yourself and where you sit well in this industry. That unique tone is just brought out even more than we've heard it before. The lower key, where you've lowered it to a lower key, was absolutely perfect for you. You found where it sits so well in your voice. The only thing I'd say, obviously, you've had tonsillitis, and your tone is generally, you tend to use your throat a lot more than maybe some people who have more of an open sound. So when you're reaching those top notes while you're not 100%, try and open your throat a little bit more, because you can see it right here in your throat as you're kind of straining to get there, and it'll stop you causing any damage. But that's the only thing, just from a health point of view. But I thought that was a really lovely performance, and like I say, you've come on leaps and bounds from last season. Well done, babe.
Keeliegh, yeah, genuinely, like I said, over the last couple of weeks, you came into this, and what we saw of you for the all-night series last season was a very different Keeliegh. And I did say it last week, and I'll say it again, like, it's almost like you transformed yourself completely, and it's sometimes when we're watching artists grow in front of us, it takes time. That's, over the process. But for you personally, it's like you just flipped. From your audition to boot camp, you just flipped. And that flip was the best flip you've ever made. And you really have, and I can see it up there now, even though you're not 100%, you know who you are. And that's what all you need to keep doing, is just be yourself, keep being you, keep connecting to these songs, even though you wasn't 100% then, like, I still felt like you've done a really, really fab job for this week because it was very vulnerable. So, smashed it. Well done. Brilliant start.